If you guys have been following along on my YouTube studio build, you'll know that I put my Apple Studio underneath my desk, kind of like ad hoc. During that time frame, I showed what the underneath of my desk looked like and how wires were everywhere. Immediately, I regret this decision. Well, my buddies at Oeveo reached out and they said, and I was like, bruh. They said, we're gonna send you some stuff because that is atrocious and we think we can help. Look at this. Oh. This is quality. I can feel it. And this thing is like rolled steel, so you can run stuff into here, here, screws in at the top. That's gonna be a good thing right there. Ooh, some cable sleeves. Ooh, look at this one. That one's nice and fat. I'm gonna get on this thing, but the first thing I have to do is take everything apart to my computer. I mean, I don't even know what this goes to. Whew, I guess we gotta figure it out. Unplug. We are halfway there. Monitor stand over here, mic over here. So I wanna use this bracket to organize all these wires back here. And like I mentioned, I'm getting an actual Apple Studio case. So now what I have to do is I gotta remove this. Now I have to move this case, this bracket, this tray that I'm using to hold my Apple Studio, and I have to move it to where it's gonna go when it's stationary with the case that I'm getting from Oeveo. That was an incredibly long project, but you guys made it. We all made it. We made it here to the end of the video. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Oeveo came through with the hookup. That tray was the MVP.